can see.
Text when you get there.
All right.
Vlogger.
Bye.
Bye, vloggers.
Hey guys, let's catch up for a second. So as you know, if you've been following along, I was back in Rochester for the summer visiting my friends and family, and now I'm on my way back to my apartment in Boston, and I'm bringing a few of my friends from camp to have a fun little touristy time in Boston and Cape Cod before my new job starts. So here's a fun road trip with me and my two camp friends, Maeve and Rox, along with my boyfriend Matt, who was kind enough to drive us back to Boston and help me get my life set up back in Boston.
Like a flower that is losing its petals, I saw people losing their head. There are too many levels, and nobody to tell you what's next. She took her time to handle the ache, just like taking a swan dive in a blue lake.
My friends, my camp friends. Yes! Let's go!
Massachusetts.
So cute!
She adores me.
Yes. We're in Boston, guys!
I was ready to know.
Woo!
Oh my god.
I'm falling, I'm all in, you could be the one.
So we made it to Boston. We're getting dinner right now. We are.
I don't know, but I
Yeah, what did you get?
I don't know.
Oh, that looks good actually. Okay. Nice frozen meals. Yeah, we thought we would save some money tonight because we'll be splurging the next few nights. So off we go.
It was too stressful when they would respond.
Surprise vlog.
Good morning! We're actually going to take Rox and Maeve, my friends who are visiting this week, to Cape Cod. So that's super fun, and I actually have a bunch of videos from Cape Cod, so this might kick off like a Cape Cod series, but we'll see. So this is a good first video for my Cape Cod series. Rox is from Mexico. She's never been to Cape Cod, and Maeve has actually never touched the ocean, which is like such a weird, like, random fact. So we want to go show her like the beautiful Cape.
Hi. Same. It is so hot, but we're.
Weird. Okay.
Yeah, I actually don't know what to wear either. Yeah, what do you want to wear? Ooh, cute.
The lifeguard one piece.
Yeah. A bikini? A bikini is less fabric if you want to be less warm.
I know, that's why I don't know. Because I'm gonna be confident with this one.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I think. But
I always like two pieces more just because, like, to go to the bathroom's easier. But
yeah, everything's just easier.
everything's just easier, yeah.
2 pieces.
Oh, wow. So we're getting ready to go. Ooh, hi, Maeve.
Look at me.
Maeve was not prepared for the vlog. We are getting ready to go to Cape Cod for our outing. We just had breakfast, and we're also gonna stop at Ikea as well. So we're gonna stop at Ikea and then go down to Cape Cod. So that'll be fun. We're getting ready to go.
a rainy day in Cape Cod.
We are going to Tavern on the Wharf in Plymouth, Massachusetts. Maeve and Rox just woke up from a
Long nap.
long nap, and it was so rainy. Yeah, Rox does not understand what Cape Cod is. We're literally here to show Rox what Cape Cod is, and she's like, "Oh yeah, busted." So cool. But no, we're in Cape Cod, and we're getting dinner now. Dinner time. Lunch, late lunch. It's 4:30. Yeah.
Started.
Powder. Before we eat. Oh wait, I didn't get my food yet.
Oh wait. The proper vlog, including me. I'm excited.
That looks great.
Sarah, you should start our little view over here.
Squad goals. This is my favorite store in Plymouth. I love this store.
If you have seen my vlogs, you know I always wear a white pearl like this. I bought it from the store, the Cranberry House in Plymouth, and I just found another one, but it's gray, so I'll probably be wearing this a lot now. I think it's so cute.
I see you hide yourself underneath the mountain of makeup. Plus the words that you made up won't make you any cooler than you are. But when you're with me and you're half asleep, and I can count each freckle and see all your beauty that you hide.
Okay, I'm vlogging again. So we're going to the Beachcomber, which is in Wellfleet, Massachusetts. So it's on the Cape. We just passed through Plymouth, and we just These two are wild, and we haven't even had our cocktails yet. So I don't know what's going on back there. Matt and I are like the mom and dad of our two daughters back here who are wild. It is literally raining. It's been raining like constantly, right? Yeah.
It is what it is.
It has. That's
Yesterday it said it was sunny and
Yeah, today was supposed to be our beach day, but it turned into a day at Ikea and then an evening on the Cape. But that's okay. It's just a rainy Cape Cod vibe, but it'll be fine. It'll be fun still. But yeah, we're gonna have a little cocktail hour at the beach as our like dessert. We just had dinner. So I don't think she needs any cocktails, but that's what we're gonna do. So off we go.
Nothing in Spanish. Oh my gosh, this is awesome.
Where'd the girls go? Oh, they're over. Isn't this so cool?
Yeah, this is awesome.
Yeah.
Such a show.
This is the dune, yeah, we were talking about.
Can't walk down there, of course, but I want this to be fun.
we can walk this way.
Yeah.
No lifeguard on duty.
High
High
levels
levels of
of
shark
shark
activity.
activity.
I know, isn't that crazy?
I'm scared.
Really?
I want to see a shark.
So we made it to Wellfleet. We made it to the Beachcomber. We just parked our car and we're walking down to the beach area
To see a mysterious animal.
to see a mysterious animal. The beach is just like so gorgeous. We're gonna go walk by the water and make sure that there's no sharks. That's what we're gonna do. And Maeve needs to touch the ocean. The first time touching the ocean. The animal sighting. What is that?
Like it's a seal.
Is it? Yeah, I think it must be.
I'm not going to. It looks like an elephant. I know.
We're trying to get a good shot of Maeve touching water for the first time. I know when it like goes a little.
You're like an iPad kid.
wish I could see underneath your lock and key. And you wish you could be under me every week. Maybe it's more than just a crush, might even be too much. It's all that I can do not to drop it off for you. It's more than just a crush. I long to be enough for you, but it never comes across. It's more than just a crush. And it's crushing me. You don't ever need to be something for me. No.
And Lord Farquaad.
What?
You should see a picture I took myself the other day. I literally looked like
Maeve always said she looks like Lord Farquaad with her
She's
hair.
my haircut.
It was just so stressing when everybody was
The lighthouse, man. That's cute.
And it's Santa. Oh no, it doesn't. It's not Santa. It looks like him though. I thought it was Santa. It's just a fisher.
I just got a video of you guys. Just you guys both literally.
We were staring at the pillows. Don't get jealous, Taylor.
Babe.
Oh, look at you, ocean lady. She lives in the waves.
Oh my god, of course you got it on video.
Yeah.
Of course you got it on camera. Okay,
Nah.
cut the camera.